Let's go make chicken and broccoli teriyaki pasta. That's the sauce I'm using, and these are my season. I got onions, garlic, cherry tomato, parsley, and dill already all cut up. Broccoli and the pasta done boiling, so they're cooling down. As you could tell, they're steaming hot. And I'm just gonna use one piece of chicken breast because after that saute, I'm gonna cut it up in little pieces. The chicken, I'm gonna pat her dry and season. I season the chicken. I'm gonna do adobo. A little bit of sweet and smoky. A little pepper. A little sazon. I'm gonna drop the chicken. And just let it cook a couple minutes. Then we'll come back and check it. And flip and cook the other side. Flip it. And we're gonna add our veggies. Chicken is on sauteing, all cut up. And the veggies are nice and sauteed. Everything is all mixed in. It looks so pretty. Let's come add the sauce. I'm gonna start with the teriyaki. And the soy sauce. A little of the sesame ginger. And she's done. It came out so good. So good. So this is my version, my way of making chicken and broccoli teriyaki pasta. Something quick, simple, and easy, and healthy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.